Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Comment Out Season 2, Episode 9. I'm your host, Zian ANZAM with ANZAM Explains. In this episode, we are going to talk about chewing gums. What is chewing gum made of? In its earliest form, chewing gum was an elastic lump of tree resin that people chewed on for recreation. Most civilizations throughout history are known to have chewed some sort of gum. Antonio Lopez de Santa Anna. Sorry if I have spelled the name wrong. He was a Mexican politician who was exiled to the United States, is said to have brought with him something called chicle, a resin derived from the sapodilla tree, traditionally chewed by Native Americans. Around this time, American consumers were familiar with chewing gum made from paraffin wax. Inventor and businessman Thomas Adams discovered that heating chicle with sugar and flavoring agents yielded a gum that tasted better than the paraffin-based ones. Adams later went on to get a patent for a gum manufacturing machine and founded Adams Sons and Co. in 1870. During World War II, American soldiers introduced this commercially manufactured chicle-based chewing gum to other parts of the world. Over the years, manufacturers replaced chicle with other substances that were easier to procure. Modern-day chewing gum have four main ingredients. First one is gum base. Gum base is one of the main chewing gum ingredients found in gum and is made up of three main components: resin, wax, and elastomer. In short, resin is the main chewable portion, whereas wax helps to soften the gum and elastomers help to add flexibility. Second main ingredient was sweeteners. Sweeteners are often added to the chewing gum to create a sweet flavor, and more intensive sweeteners are intended for prolonging the sweetness effect. These chewing gum ingredients usually include sugar, dextrose, glucose, or corn syrup, extra, and sometimes even beetroot juice is used. More intense artificial sweeteners can also be listed as some of the ingredients in chewing gum and found in 85% of all gums. The most popular synthetic sweeteners are aspartame, acesulfame K, saccharin, etc. Next ingredient is softeners. Softeners such as glycerin or vegetable oil are added to the chewing gum to retain moisture and increasing flexibility of the gum. It is these ingredients used which help to soften the gum, which plays into the warmth of the mouth and create the characteristic chewing gum texture. Flavors are added to chewing gum for taste appeal and can be either natural or synthetic. Chewing gum's typical hard outer shell is created due to a water-absorbent powder dusting of polyol. In order to maintain the quality and extend the shelf life of the product, this polyol coating is easily broken down once placed in the mouth due to the mixture of saliva and warm conditions. Now it's time for the bonus fact. Did you know chewing gums burn around 11 calories per hour? So if you want to lose weight, start chewing the gum. Thank you for listening, guys. With this, we have come an end to the episode. If you like listening to this episode or if you like enjoying my podcast, you can support me by buying me a coffee through the link in my description. Thank you. Until next time, see you.